Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how you can quickly add columns into a Google Doc. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in Google Docs. Creating columns in a Google Doc is quick to do, but can be tricky if you've not done it before. Let's look at how to quickly do that. Returning to the Google Docs start page, I'll begin by opening an existing document. I can do this by moving my mouse pointer over it and clicking on it once. The first step in adding columns to a document is to select the text I want to place in the columns. I can quickly do this by moving my mouse to the right of the paragraph I want to use. I'll click and hold my left mouse button, and you'll see I can slowly drag my mouse over the text until it's completely selected. If I then release my left mouse button, the paragraph stays selected. To display this text as a group of columns, I now need to move my mouse pointer to the text bar at the top of Google Docs. There are a number of options shown here, but the one we're interested in is Format. I'll click once on that to open it. From the list of links that are then shown, I'll move my mouse pointer over the Columns option. A number of further choices are then displayed. You'll see that the current single column option is selected, but you can choose to split this into 2 columns or a maximum of 3 columns. Let's choose that alternative by clicking on it once. You'll see that our text is now split into 3 columns. I can tailor how I want those columns to display by opening the Columns Format option box. You can find this by clicking back into Format and moving down to Columns again. This time, however, I'll move to the More Options box and click on that once to choose it. A box then opens that gives you 3 formatting options. The first allows you to change the number of columns, but you'll see that that only goes up to a maximum of 3. If you want to create more than 3 columns in a Google Doc, you'll need to use a hack with tables. Add a comment in this video if you're interested in how to do this. The next option allows you to change the spacing between each of the columns. By default, this is set to 1.27 centimeters, or half an inch, but I want to tighten it up a little. So I'll click into that box and simply overtype the size I want to use. The last option allows you to display a vertical line between the columns. I think this looks good, so I'm going to choose that by checking the box. Once I'm happy with all my formatting changes, I'll click on the large blue Apply button to confirm them. You'll see the spacing between columns has now been reduced, and a defining line has been added between each one. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like this video or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.